Hey y'all, it's Clay from Morgan's Rust Revival. So this is part 3 of working on the 52 Chevy. In the last 2 parts we braced the cab up and got it cut out, the floor, the back part of it. So in this video we're going to try to get some of the front part cut out, trimmed up a little bit more, and start working on our bracing that we're going to put back in to re-support the cab. If you haven't checked out the first 2 videos, they'll be in this playlist, so go back and check them out. Also give a like on the video and subscribe if you enjoy the content. But the rest of this video we're going to try and get the floor cut out on the front part of the cab near the firewall. There'll be some more cleaning that we're going to have to do on the back before we get our stuff welded in, which may be in this video, may be in the next video. I don't know how far I'll get along as far as getting everything cut out or how long it's going to take. I try to keep the videos a little short so it's a little easier for y'all to watch them. But if y'all have any feedback, just put it in the comments and let me know what y'all think, what y'all like. I'm going to be down here working on it, so however you all want the videos, you want them a little longer, a little shorter, whatever's not, easier for you all, just let me know in the comments. But I'll get y'all set up and we'll start getting some more cut out of the floor. that'll be a wrap on the video today. Got a lot accomplished in this one, getting all the floor cut out, getting some bracing put back in it. Got a few more little braces we're going to put in it to finish it all up. After we get that done, then we'll start working on getting the sheet metal cut out to put all the way across the whole entire floor. I'm hoping I can do it in one piece. I'll have to see how hard it's going to be. That may be the problem right now, but I'll get it all cut out, and then we'll see how far we can get with that in the next video. Hopefully we can wrap the floor up in the next video. Here soon we'll be getting the motor out of the school bus. That'll probably be here within the next week or two. But I'll keep y'all updated on it. Hopefully y'all are enjoying this content. I'm enjoying making it, so if y'all don't care, like and subscribe. Really helps me out. Lets me know that y'all are enjoying watching it also. And remember, like and subscribe, and God bless.